in the time of King Frederick William I. 1688. Shortly after the 30 Years' War and a century before today's Brandenburg Gate was constructed. Berlin was a small walled city within a star fort with several named gates. Spandauer Tor, St. Georgen Tor, Strelauer Tor, Köpenicker Tor, Neuss Tor, and Leipziger Tor. See map. Relative peace. A policy of religious tolerance and status as capital of the Kingdom of Prussia facilitated the growth of the city. With the construction of Dorotheenstadt around 1670 and its inclusion in Berlin's city fortifications, a first gate was built on the site, consisting of a breach through the raised wall and a drawbridge over the dug moat. Quote, with the construction of the Berlin Customs Wall, German, Achsisamauer, in 1734, which enclosed the old fortified city and many of its then suburbs. A predecessor of today's Brandenburg Gate was built by the court architect Philipp Gerlach as a city gate on the road to Brandenburg and der Havel. The gate system consisted of two Baroque pylons decorated with pilasters and trophies, to which the gate wings were attached. In addition to the ornamental gate, there were simple passages for pedestrians in the wall, which were decorated with ornamental vases at this point. The current gate was commissioned by Frederick William II of Prussia to represent peace and was originally named the Peace Gate. German, Friedenstor. It was designed by Karl Gotthard Langhans, the court superintendent of buildings, and built between 1788 and 1791, replacing the earlier simple guardhouses which flanked the original gate in the customs wall. The gate consists of 12 Doric columns, 6 to each side, forming 5 passageways. Citizens were originally allowed to use only the outermost 2 on each side. Its design is based on the Propylaea, the gateway to the Acropolis in Athens, and is consistent with Berlin's history of architectural classicism, first Baroque, and then Neo-Palladian. The gate was the first element of a New Athens on the River Spree, by Langhans. Atop the gate is a sculpture by Johann Gottfried Shadow of a quadriga, a chariot drawn by 4 horses, driven by Victoria, the Roman goddess of victory.